Get ready for the biggest wealth transfer in history because it's happening right now. I sense that we are finally healing. There's so much that has happened and transpired that is just so evil that now things have to go back to balance. That now that the light is coming out and systems of control are slowly eroding and falling into themselves, and they're sabotaging, and it's finally running its course. I feel like things have gotten to a point where now humanity needs to step up, that the old systems of control just won't cut it anymore. And they did serve a purpose. As dark and as evil as it is, everything serves a purpose simply so that it could come back into balance. So when things go too far into the deep end, it has to start to correct itself, because everything is based off of equilibrium and homeostasis. And so now things are starting to shift where the typical winners aren't the main players anymore, that these smaller bodies of people and companies and businesses are now stepping up to the plate. They are now doing what's necessary to replace the broken parts of the system. So I want you to have hope in that, because I do see it. I do see the way things are healing slowly yet surely. And it might seem like a very slow process. And there's so much sensationalism and doom and gloom. And there's so much screaming at you that it's not going to happen and it's only going to get worse. You need to look for the little rays of light that peek through that intense darkness, because it just makes it so much brighter because of that contrast. So find hope in the little things, in the small interactions where there's still humanity and there's still promise and a chance for us, because everything is salvageable. That is why Jesus died, because it is to prove to you that you can always be saved no matter what. There is no such thing as no cure, or nothing is irreversible. Okay. Everything can be restored and renewed and made better, especially in a short amount of time, because God moves in miracles. He doesn't rely on human concepts like time and physical limitations. He operates in the unseen. So everything is coming together as it should. It unfolds as it needs to. So trust in God's plan. That is the key message in this, because this is all part of the process, including this great wealth transfer, because the greediness of people, of the elite, of these corporations, their greediness also served a purpose. It was a means of collection so that God could allow them to hoard money simply to transfer it into the hands of people through, supernatural provision and unexpected windfalls and crazy opportunities that now meet regular people, that aren't reserved for the elite or for certain types of occupations. Anybody can make money doing anything at this point. And so I want you to believe in these miracles and supernatural provision, because what I see is that God funds these things through those means of provision by transferring wealth from one hand to another. Okay. So put your hands open and say, I am ready to receive. Put that in the comments right now. And if this resonated, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and I'll leave it at that. Remember, I love you so much, but God loves you so much more. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.